welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 22 of English, and the name of the chapter is comprehension. Right? So we are going to discuss about the comprehension. So what are comprehension basically? हमें एक सिंपल पैराग्राफ दिया होता है. We have to read that paragraph thoroughly, and उसके बाद नीचे कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए होते हैं जिनके आंसर्स उसी पैराग्राफ में छुपे होते हैं जो हमने अभी पढ़ा है, राइट? एंड वी हैव टू सर्च द आंसर्स एंड राइट देम in to their respective questions. So let's have a look on the examples. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ examples भी दिए हुए हैं. Let's have a look on this. So as you can see, there is a paragraph और उसी के बाद वहाँ पे हमें questions दिए हुए हैं. Let's read the paragraph first. So internet is the network of computers that offers access to people and information. To use the internet, you run many different programs depending on the type of information you wish to view. You might use one program for mail, another for retrieving files, and yet another for playing fantasy games with many people at the same time. The kind of data easily available includes government documents, scientific data, hobby lists, business and personal advertisement, databases, and the like. The kind of communication that happens every day includes changing short social notes, getting the latest news from around the world, conducting the information with others who have similar hobbies and interests in transferring computer files. While corporations use the internet for in-company communications, many business houses provide vital information in their customers on it. So, we all read the paragraph very quickly. Now, let's have a look on the questions that are present over here. So, read the above passage and carefully answer the questions that follow. So, the first question is, what can be accessed on the internet? As we all know, we read this in the statement that what all we can access on internet, right? After that, the next question is, what kind of programs can be run on the internet? So, कौन से तरीके के प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो कि हम इंटरनेट पे आराम से रन कर सकते हैं, यानी कि चला सकते हैं, right? So, this is also the answer, the programs that are mentioned over here, right? उसी के बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. जनरली व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज अवेलेबल ऑन द इंटरनेट? किस तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल होती है, राइट? सो वी हैव द क्वेश्चन. So the information that we have is conducting information just like the other who have similar hobbies, interests, and transferring computer files. After that, the next question, how do corporations and business houses use the internet? कि corporations और business houses कैसे internets को use करते हैं? So we have the answer over here in these lines, right? Next is, can we exchange personal notes on the internet? क्या हम personal notes internet पर exchange कर सकते हैं? Obviously, yes. It is up to us that whether we want to share it or not, right? Next is, give a suitable title to the passage. So now they are asking कि हमें passage को एक suitable title देना है. So what title would you like to give? So it is about the internet, it is about the computers, right? So we can give a simple title to the passage, that is communication and technology. Right? Simple. So this is what we all have to do in the comprehensions. Right? I hope you find it easy. We have some more examples for you to practice. So you all can practice them. As you can see, we have 1, 2 and 3 more paragraphs that we have been given. Yes, and some exercises as well. So you can practice them and improve your skills. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.